facing me because I'm bending over, pushing you, so you got your back to me. Come on. Doesn't it go?
So you thought about this a lot.
Yes, I have. So.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
So I'm gonna take my
that's
hat
right.
off. I'm gonna take my hat off. Okay.
Get the speed here happening. That's the wind blown look. Okay, sit down.
Hey.
Lift your feet up.
Okay, you have to move the dog and the garbage can because we're
Oh,
going to
just get the dog. He'll
We're
move.
gonna hit the freaking dog.
He'll move.
Hit the garbage
Oh
can.
my god.
He'll move.
I got you, bud. Okay.
Okay. Where would
Okay,
you
we
like
ready?
me to push you? Here or from where?
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What are you hanging off for?
Come in up.
Do
Because
you have your feet out of the way?
I think so.
Okay, ready? Oh.
This is
Did
not
you
good.
have your feet out of the way?
You gotta lift them up
Well,
right
no.
now, buddy. Lift them up.
I guess I didn't.
There's
Amanda,
grooves in
go.
the tiles.
There we go. We're ready
We're
now.
losing a toe. Can we move the garbage can? Because I know I'm going to hit that.
Hey, is that a dad joke?
Whoa!
Mom!
Sir!
You are never...
An ankle biter! I got an ankle biter! Woo! First one!
This is so going on YouTube.
Oh yes, definitely.
Ankle biter, that's... I'm gonna say...